click, I have sent over 1,000 plus WhatsApp messages. And do you think that this is a magic? No, this is the power of automation which you're going to create in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk messages automatically within few clicks. To do this, you just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free. This means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and let's see how we can set this up. For that, you have to make sure that you've added WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow like I have. I've already added this WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, we have attached a video tutorial in the description box below. You can refer to that. Apart from that, if you haven't added a WhatsApp number, you can also find the video tutorial on the dashboard itself. You can refer to that too. It is a step-by-step guide, and at the end of the video, you will learn how to add your WhatsApp number. After you add a WhatsApp number, let's see how to send bulk WhatsApp messages automatically. For that, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and then click on this add broadcast button. Once you do this, over here it is asking for the broadcast type, so select it as broadcast campaign. Now it is saying broadcast name, so I'm just going to name this broadcast as new leads right over here, and I'm just going to enter a number because using new leads I have multiple broadcasts, so I'm just going to keep the name of this broadcast as new leads 2.0. Okay, now let's just move on further, and it is asking me to select the contact list. So over here, you know by now that you have to select the broadcast type, you have to enter the broadcast name, and then you have to select the contact list to whom you want to send this message. Okay, so first of all, in order to select the contact list, you have to learn how to create one. So in order to create one, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section, and once you're on this contact section, over here you're going to see the option of this contact list. You just have to click on this add new contact list button, and from here you can create your own contact list. Apart from that, if you want to learn how to add the contacts, you can go on this add contact button. You can simply add the single and the bulk contacts directly from here. If you want to learn how to add the contacts, and if you want to learn anything more about this contact section, the video tutorial of this is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. Apart from this, the video tutorial of each feature of Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. So if you like this bulk broadcast messaging, then you can move on further and see the rest of the features too. We offer AI chatbots, WhatsApp chatbots, and much more. How to send these bulk messages? For that, we just have to select the list right over here. So as you can see, you can select multiple lists right over here. I'm just going to choose this two lists right over here and move on further. Over here, it is asking for the refined audience, which is an optional. So what you can do is you can exclude the contacts you don't want to receive this broadcast. Over here, you can exclude the list. You can also exclude specific contacts which you don't want. Apart from that, you can exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. What is going to happen is it is going to skip the contacts who message you within the 24 hours window, so they don't receive a redundant broadcast on a top of an active conversation. So you just have to switch on this button for the same. Now it is asking me to select the message type. So it is pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a pre-approved template message, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this template list section and make sure to add your template over here. You just have to go on this add template button, and from here you can add your template. You can just simply enter all of these details and add your template. Once you add the template, you have to wait till Meta approves your template. I've already added multiple templates, so I'm just going to use one from this only. I'm just going to select the same WhatsApp template right over here. So I'm just going to search for it right over here, and as you can see, this is the same, so I'm just going to select it. Once I select this, I can move on further. So as you can see, I've selected this template in which I have a file URL, which is an image URL. So I have to add this image too. So for that, I have to go on this upload from media library, and if you have already added the image in your media library, good to go. You just have to select it and move on further. Apart from that, if you haven't, you have to go on this add new image button, and you can simply add the image from your PC, and then then once you add the image, it will be added in your media library. After the image is added in your media library, what you have to do is you just have to select it and click on this insert, and this image is inserted right over here. Once you create the template, there you don't have to insert the image. You won't get the option to insert the image. The option to insert the image will be right over here only in the broadcast section if you're sending bulk messages. Okay, once you do this, you are good to go. You can click on this done button, and we have successfully set it up this message right over here. Apart from this, if you want to send a regular message, you can also opt for regular message and type the message yourself. Over here also, if you want to add the images, you can do the same. Okay, I'm just going to keep it as template message only and move on further. It is saying username and phone number. So what is this? So before sending this broadcast to 1,000 people at once, you can test it. What you can do is you can simply enter the username right over here, and then you can simply enter the mobile number to test this broadcast. Okay, so I'm just going to simply enter this and click on this send test message button, and it is saying sending, and you're going to see that this test message is sent successfully, and you can see we have successfully sent this message. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and yes, this new message is received right now. It has this image, it has the whole message. Okay, so we're good to go, and what you can do is you can simply schedule this broadcast. So you have two options now. You can schedule this broadcast for later, or you can send it instantly. So if you wish to send this instantly, you can go on this no send instantly button and click on this add broadcast button, and the broadcast will be sent instantly. If you want to schedule this for later, you can go on this yes schedule for later. Then you can simply choose your date and time right over here by clicking on this right hand of the side calendar button. I'm just going to schedule it for 30th of June 4 p.m. and then click on this add broadcast button. Now this broadcast is scheduled for 30th of June 2026 4 p.m. and this is the template which I have used. And yes, once this broadcast is sent, you can view the stats of the broadcast too. You can simply go on this view stats button. After this is sent, you can check the sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. So useful, right? Like this, we can send bulk WhatsApp messages, first of all without getting blocked, and second, you can try this for free today. Why you will not get blocked? Because Pabbly Chatflow is an official WhatsApp business cloud API provider, so you won't get blocked if you use Pabbly Chatflow to send bulk WhatsApp messages. Okay, but keep in mind few things, that you use a correct list of contacts. If you use a uncertain list, or you can say a list which is not related to your business, what is going to happen is when you send the bulk messages, the user will report you, or you can say the user will keep you in spam. Once many users keep you in spam, what is going to happen is your number is going to get blocked. So keep in mind few things. If you want to know more about how not to get your number blocked, we're going to attach the video tutorial in the description box below. You can check that out too. Apart from that, go and try Pabbly Chatflow, and if you like it, do purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.